So good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel Informatica Hub. So this is video regarding the Deloitte offer letter. So basically there is a notification that Deloitte has started rolling out offer letter for 2022 batches. So basically if you are new to this channel, I would like you to subscribe my channel. And yes, this channel content is related to the IT topics, college reviews, college placement drives, interview experiences, switching experience and all the related things. So if you're new, I will request you all do subscribe, and if you like my video, do subscribe, do like my video, and if you don't like it, put up the dislike button and also comment in the comment box what exactly you are expecting from this video. So let's start the video without any bakwas. So basically Deloitte has started sending the offer letter to all 2022 candidates. The thing is, right now you have to keep patience. I would suggest one thing: keep patience. My all viewers, keep patience, keep calm in yourself, because the maximum query right now I am getting is from the Deloitte selected candidate of 2022 batches. They are saying that Deloitte have only sent the LOI, and after that they are not responding to any of the things. Many are saying that whether we are going to get the offer letter or not. So I would suggest you keep calm, keep calm. Yes, if they have sent you the LOI, they will definitely going to send you the offer letter. They are going to onboard you in their company, and yes, they are going to train you as per their needs and requirement. The thing is that many of the queries are like that. Only 5 of the candidate of our college haven't received the offer letter. See, what happens generally, once you are selected from a campus, you are distributed into the different delivery units or different business units, depending upon the needs and requirement of the candidate, and needs and requirement as per your skill set, or as per their requirement, on what basis they filter it out. After that, what happens, they send you to the different BU, different delivery units. So what is happening over here is that many of the BUs or delivery unit who are having an urgent requirement are sending an offer letter at earliest, depending upon your college ending and your semester exam ending and all. But many which are having requirement, there is a delay in the requirement, or they can extend it to some times, so they are waiting for it, or their plan is to hire you at some particular time. I am just giving you a certain time frame when they will definitely, till then they will definitely going to onboard you. Till September you can keep patience. Before that, all the things will be happening, being a LOI, being small training, 20-25 days as per the needs and requirement of the BUs. I told you, right, totally depend upon the BU, the delivery unit you are allocated with. There are lots of query regarding that. My friends have got, on our college only 5 people haven't got. Chill, you might be in the different BU and they might be in the different BUs. Because of that, you have got and they haven't got, you got and they haven't got. This is happening. So Deloitte is a big company, yaar. You are distributed in the different units, different delivery units. So that's why it takes some time. It takes time sometimes. So it's not the thing to worry right now. Just keep calm. Keep calm. It's the time for you to prepare for your examination. And when it's over, then yes, it's a chill time for you. You are never going to get back this golden days. Just enjoy this time. You will be getting it as per the needs and requirement. This is an announcement video, just that yes, they have started sending the offer letter. You will be getting once your turn comes, once your batches are allocated, and they will be sending you right away. तो LOI आ गई है, चिंता नहीं करना. इन्फॉर्मेटिका हब बोल रहा है, आ जाएगी. Just keep calm. Everything will be very good very soon. Till then, take care. All the best for all your upcoming interviews and placement drive or onboarding processes. I wish आपकी जल्दी से interview offer letter आ जाए, and yes, you get onboarded as soon as possible. तब तक के लिए take care, bye bye, and all the best for all your upcoming things. Bye bye.